All right, here we go. Now we're going to start talking about graphs of the parabola where the vertex is located at other places other than the origin. Okay, so again, you might recognize this and you might already had a clue of what this would look like based on our studies of the ellipse and the hyperbola. So it shouldn't be a surprise that now we're going to have h and k in here, right? So that's all we're doing is we have x minus h squared and y minus k here. And then of course we just flip them when we're doing the horizontal. The other thing too is now we're looking at instead of looking at the x-axis versus y-axis for the axis symmetry, now it's just some vertical or horizontal axis. We'll have to, again, we'll have to figure out where that's located. So again, vertical axis symmetry, horizontal axis of symmetry. Vertex is now at h comma k for both of them. The focus for, if it's the vertical axis symmetry, we're going to have h comma k plus p, versus if it's going sideways, the parabola will be, the focus is going to be h plus p comma k. And then the directrix is y equal to k plus, or excuse me, k minus p. And then the directrix for the horizontal axis of symmetry is x equal to h minus p. And then the axis symmetry here is going to be x is equal to h versus y is equal to k. And again, remember that the x symmetry always goes through the vertex. That helps you, okay? And of course, the graphs, if p is positive, it'll open upwards here. It'll open to the right here. If p is negative, then it'll open downward here and open to the left here. So again, memorize these, but you'll have no choice but to memorize them when you're working with them because you'll just remember. So again, do examples. We're going to do some examples of how to graph these and identify all this stuff just like we did before. And the more you do, the better it's going to be.